These cheese puffs don't just crunch, they leave evidence. That dusty orange fingerprint is engineered on purpose. It starts as plain corn. Tons of it roll in, drop into hoppers, and head straight into cleaning.
First, the corn gets scrubbed by physics. Screens shake out debris, air pulls off dust, and magnets catch anything metallic. Then it's milled into cornmeal and grits. Small, even particles that will puff the same way every time.
Moisture and grind size get checked fast. Too wet, and it collapses. Too dry, and it won't expand.
Next comes batching. Cornmeal, salt, and tiny supporting ingredients measured precisely so the texture stays consistent. In the mixer, everything becomes one even blend. Consistency here is what makes every puff feel identical. Steam and water wake up the starch. Now it's a warm dough, ready for pressure, heat, and a little violence. This machine is the heart of it. The extruder kneads, heats, and pressurizes the dough like a non-stop cooking tunnel.
As it exits the die, pressure drops in a blink, water flashes into steam, and the dough puffs into that airy structure.
Fresh puffs are fragile. A drying tunnel removes moisture gently so the shape sets without cracking.
A hotter pass strengthens the crust. This is where soft puff becomes snack. Crunch is basically controlled dehydration.
Cooling stops everything at the right moment. Too hot and seasoning melts. Too cold and it won't stick. Here's the secret. A whisper-thin oil mist. It's not for taste. It's the glue that helps powder cling. Now the star ingredient, cheese powder. It hits warm, lightly oiled puffs and sticks instantly. Crumbling spreads seasoning evenly. The motion is gentle, enough to coat every curve, not enough to break them. A quick conditioning pass sets the coating. This is when that sticks to your fingers behavior gets locked in. Then they're sifted. Crumbs and clumps drop out. Only the right size puffs stay in the mainstream. Every line runs a final safety check. If something doesn't belong, it gets rejected automatically.
This machine makes hundreds of tiny weight decisions per minute, so each bag lands on the same portion. Bags are formed, filled, and sealed in one smooth flow. A perfect seal is what keeps the crunch alive.
Finally, it's boxed and palletized. Robots stack fast and gentle, like choreography designed for snacks.
From corn to puff to powder, shipped out by the pallet. And one handful later, your fingers tell the whole story.